Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Let's create an app with Callie. Here we go.
Let's
Create an
do
app.
it.
Let's do it. All right. Where are we going? We are creating an app through Now Assist. And let's do a retail management app. If I can spell.
And yes, you can spell.
No, I can't.
Well,
I want to track.
that's okay. Now Assist is not going to hold it against you, I
No, it's
don't think.
not. I want to track inventory levels. Amount left.
Okay,
Or
what specific details should we capture for each
each
inventory
inventory
item?
item. I want to know how much, or what's the word I'm looking, inventory level, needs to be a string, a numeric. I want to be a numeric number, with 0 being nothing left. Should we include any other details for each inventory item, such as name? Yes. Oh, that's
Yes,
pretty
for
awesome. That
sure.
actually included those. I didn't, yes. Can you suggest some other fields? Dang. Look at that. We can also include true false field to indicate the item currently in stock. Yes. What else you got?
What about selling price?
Uh, Selling price,
Cost and selling price.
maybe. Would you like to add other fields such as category, date, time field to track when an item was last restocked? Yes.
Yes.
I don't even need to think. Thank you, Jenna.
Right,
Thanks,
right.
Now Assist. Should I leave it open for a user to input, or would you like to define specific categories? Define some.
How about what about return rate? So I have a scenario in my head. I'm thinking about one of my favorite stores, or two, I'm thinking of two of my favorite stores. One is Costco, the other is Trader Joe's, right?
Yeah.
And these are places where I shop frequently.
Hmm.
And I think about I've returned things to these places. Sometimes things sell out quickly, so I don't know if sales velocity is something that's important. I think that is something that's important that
Yeah.
we should track.
Let's try. You know what? Let's try this. So let's get past here and then let's add that idea into it. So can you provide categories you would like to include? No. Can you suggest them? Sure. Sounds good. Sounds good. I need to add more fields. What was the ones, Kelly? Was return?
I mentioned return rate.
What about
Oh, what
return
about expiration date?
expiration date? Oh man, percentage and expiration via date field? Yes. Um, think of anything else?
And sales velocity,
Uh, what
like how
about
quickly, like I was on the Costco website yesterday, and that thing that I wanted to get was like sold out because it's like a September thing.
should it be an integer to represent the number of units sold per time period?
Yes.
Yes. Man, Now Assist is awesome.
Thanks for asking now, assist.
Yeah, I know. Thank you, Now Assist. Do you want to capture any additional information for each inventory or is this enough for now? Um,
Such a great start.
it's a good start.
You did get costs
Let's go
and
back and review. So we've
okay.
asked for inventory levels, and then it suggested description, purchase price, sale price, location.
Yep.
Yeah. Um,
Location's good.
yeah, location's good. Selling price field. We then said categories, date and time field, last restocked. We've got we asked for different categories like clothing, home goods, groceries, health and beauty. And then we did should return rate be percentage. Okay. Sales velocity. And now any other information do you want to go through?
Let's talk about sales velocity. So that's going to be a rate.
Yeah, should so it's an integer right now to represent a number of units sold per time period.
Okay. 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 Yeah.
Yeah. Let's let's see what analysis gives us. Yes. Okay, what other fields would you like to add? Wow, you're really pushy now, assist.
Yeah. I feel like we've
I
been pretty
I
comprehensive
think we
here
got
now,
good
assist.
here. Yeah. Nope, that's all. That's all. Each table will have a default form for entering and maintaining. Would you like to create a record producer as a user-friendly way to add new inventory items?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks for asking.
Yeah. This was which field should be included in the new inventory record producer?
You tell me now, assist.
You tell me what makes sense. I want Now Assist to do all the work.
What would you like to do?
Okay.
Keep in mind that you can
Here's
make.
here's what I've got. View
Okay.
more. Okay, so this is what it came up with. Stop it. Stop it.
No, I need this in my life.
Yeah. Store manager. Okay. Users. App overview. Tracks inventory levels for retail business. Okay. User store manager overseas. So that looks like that's gonna generate some roles for us, maybe. I guess we'll see. Key features. Track inventory items, including key fields. Yep, suppliers. Looks good there. User interface. Form for each table. Record producer.
We should be doing this as a live stream right now.
Oh, yeah. I think I'm gonna post this right after.
Yeah, why not?
Why not? Let's do it.
In stock. Oh, that's a
Expiration.
good one. In stock, true, false.
In stock, true, false. Yeah, I saw that added that way at the top there.
Okay.
Would you like to do, keep in mind, can you make any edits? You can make any edits to the application that Now Assist generates. Like we can make changes or we can generate the app. So let's generate the
Let's
app.
go ahead and see what happens.
Got it. I'm going to start generating. It may take a few minutes. I'll update you on my progress. So, so it's going to create one table, two user roles, and one record producer.
Okay.
Interesting. Tells you the table name. I wonder, like, it would be so awesome if they actually had, if Flow Designer kicked in and actually generated the flow for you. Like, if you needed to do something, if you told it to, I need a flow
That
to
is totally
update
coming in after. What's what comes after Xanadu?
X, Y, Z, Yokohama?
What is it gonna? What is it called?
Is it Yokohama? Am I pronouncing that correctly?
I don't know. I've never heard what would be.
Uh, Service
So
now.
I would imagine that that would be coming up.
I think it starts with a
Generating
Y.
staff
I want
user
to
role.
say
Uh,
Yokohama. Yokohama?
Yokohama.
I think I just butchered that.
Yokohama.
Oh yeah. Yokohama. Homa? Hama? Yeah. All right. So what do we got? We finished the last detail, saving your app ready. This application was generated by Now Assist. Retail management app. Let's open it up. See what we got. Get started. Let's so we got the data, we got the experience. All right, we got our catalog item here. Let's preview. This is cool. Item name, describe the item, supplier. If you had specific suppliers too, you could probably do a drop down list here and
Yep.
and have it switch to a drop down list.
Yeah.
Your purchase and selling prices is all good to do. And this is awesome. Like we didn't ask for any of these fields either, and it's just like, here you go. Is this item in stock? Yes, it is. Clothing, these are some another category would have been a good too. So we can maybe switch that for this, but like a first
Yeah,
go
for
around.
sure. For
But a
sure.
first go around, that's pretty awesome.
This is an amazing first draft. First draft app.
Yes, and I would actually like to see. So now we have actually generated this app here. I would actually like to see the Now Assist button up here, like it is if we head over to Catalog Builder, and you will see what I mean in a second. So if I go to Catalog Builder, um, create a new catalog item. we'll just quickly get there. You'll see what I mean in 1 second. Use this template. So when you're doing catalog item here, there's that now assist heading where I can actually ask it to do something.
Mm-hmm.
And over here, it is not there.
Ah, right,
Yeah, so
right,
I
right,
would
right.
maybe if I want to, so hey, here's all the questions. So maybe it to generate like a prompt, that would be nice. So then I can just keep the same prompt in the same form fields and just add to the prompt. That would
By
be
the
cool.
way, I want to mention that it was 3 minutes ago when we created that app. So it took less than 3 minutes to create that app.
Yeah, that was fast. And even to do like all the destination, even to add in, all this stuff, we have to come in here and add our own categories, but the questions adding all this, that takes time. Let's go back to our app. We got our data. There's the table. So if we want to add new fields, close that down.
Yeah, getting Flow Designer in here would be so wee.
Yeah, it would. And getting now assistant to this little
Yeah,
screen, that would
right
be
there.
awesome
Yeah,
too.
that
Right
that's
there.
that's the
Come on.
UI thing right there. Yep.
Yeah, come on, ServiceNow. Yeah, that's actually really cool. That was, yeah, 3 minutes to do that. That entire app. Preview. Add those. Let's add something. Let's add something. So there's sales velocity and all these things. I'm just not sure how this works. This part works. The sales velocity and all that. Um, Apple
Yeah, see,
Watch.
this is something that would have to be calculated,
Yes. So
right?
are these?
Even the part where I said in stock, yes, no, that should be calculated.
We haven't so I'm gonna add stock right now. I'm gonna add an Apple Watch. Let's just say I don't know, downtown Seattle. Why not? Apple Watch Series 9.
Yeah, and be sure to do one with AirPods because Apple just had their event today.
I
And you know
never,
their
is that good?
AirPods going to be, oh my God. I only saw like a snippet of it, but the snippet that I saw is that the AirPods are going to actually be hearing aids.
Wow,
They will test your hearing and adjust accordingly.
that is cool.
Super cool.
Uh, yeah, that's cool.
And I
I'll
would
have to
be
watch
so,
that
and what
later.
I mentioned that because that would be something that someone would pick up at Costco. So
Hmm.
can you imagine that you could just,
Nice.
yeah.
So we got to submit purchase price. Let's go. I don't know. Should have put the purchase price in there. Purchase price is going to be. Remember when the watches were like these things were cheap? Now they're like 7.99, 8.99. Remember when iPhones were cheap?
No, I
Yeah,
don't
they have
remember that.
3.99, 4.99, 5.99 for an iPhone.
Well,
Yeah,
here's the
I
thing.
remember
It's
those
it's
days.
cheap today, but at the time it was considered to be expensive.
It was, but now you're looking at what, $1,100,
You're looking
1,200,
at
1,300.
yes, you are.
It's a small laptop at that point. Let's say 549. Why not?
Yeah. And the justification is that, it could do all these things, right?
Oh no, so this is the purchasing price. This is what we're purchasing at. So in our little retail thing, we're gonna say we're getting it for 349, and we're selling for 549. We're gonna make $200 profit
Yeah.
on that. So I think we would need to add
I
some
would like
sort
if it
of,
had I think we need to add like a special offer price. So say for example, like with Costco, for example, my favorite store, you
yeah,
know, every month they have these specials. So the retail price would be 549, but maybe for the October calendar, the October specials, it may be, I don't know, 475.
yeah. So we would need, so if we want to add a special offer price for in-stock items, we have to come back to our little table here, and this is where my knowledge of App Engine Studio is a little bit less than I would like it to be, but let's do it. So I need to have to add the data, and it looks like we're going to need to add a new field. So let's add a field, and this is going to be special offer price, and that is a string. Add. That was quick,
Hmm.
and we can add it here. We need to add it here, so let's insert a new question. It's going to be a single line. map to a specific field, and it's going to be special offer price. And insert question. There we go. Preview. And it's at the bottom there, special offer price.
There we go.
So if we add something from here, let's go. It's going to be Apple AirPods this time. Was it Series 3 now or AirPods?
I think they said it was two. Or was that for the?
Series 2? Series 3? Oh, let's say Series. Well, let's come up for our own. Series 3 suppliers, Apple.
But I think
These
that
ones
was
are a
for the
little. These
headphone
ones are gonna be a little
case.
bit more expensive. So we're gonna be adding for 4.99, and we're gonna sell them for $8.99. Why not? Location downtown. So this, I think, we would like it to be a drop down for the locations that we got. Items in stock. It's electronics. I don't know the return rate. We'll probably remove that. We would need to remove sales velocity, maybe remove expiration date because this is an item that doesn't expire.
Mm-hmm.
And special offer price will be $7.99 or let's say $6.99.
Ooh, that's a really good deal.
That is a good deal. But I can't
What was our
submit.
cost on that though? What was the cost on that?
Cost we said it's gonna be $4.99.
Okay, okay.
But this since the preview, I can't submit it. Doesn't let me. That's okay. We can always do it from here. We can do it
We
from over
should
here.
rename that as we shouldn't be called purchase price though. Because that's saying what we purchased it for as a retailer. It should be said it should be cost, not purchase price.
Cost. Yeah, we could rename that. But yeah, that's a good
Hey,
this
listen,
is like that how fast that was to do all that. You can come in here and you can start adding some logic and automation to it. I'd like to see we probably have to do some more a little bit work around
it's the work that has to be done now is like some like fine tuning.
yeah, like we'd have to do some little bit of work around return rates and sales velocity and all that stuff. But this is a very good starting point to actually start with an app.
Yeah, it's a super starting point.
Yeah, well, thank you, Kelly, for coming along with that journey with me.
Kali rhymes with Bali, similar to cauliflower.
Yeah, no, that was really cool. I'm
Let me
I'm really
stop that
impressed with
recording. Awesome.
yeah, I'm really impressed with